Hey guys, this is James, and today I'll be showing you how to use Quicksort with these fabulous candies. Well, how does Quicksort work? Well, it involves pivots and splitting lists into sublists in order to combine all the elements later on to form a final sorted list. So we will designate the leftmost element, the tootsie roll, as a pivot. So we will put this aside. We will compare this to the rightmost element, M&Ms. Now we see that the Tootsie Roll is smaller, the pivot is smaller than the M&Ms. So leave that be. We go down the line. The Snickers bar is smaller than the pivot, so we switch these. Now we know that the previous fact that Snickers is smaller than the Tootsie Roll, so we know that's that. Along with passing along the line. The Hershey's bar is smaller than the pivot, the Tootsie Roll, so leave that be, along with the peanut butter cup. However, when the pivot is compared with this element, the cheese balls are greater than the Tootsie Rolls in size, so they are switched. The Tootsie Roll is then compared to this again, which we know that it is greater than the Tootsie Roll. We go down the line. Tootsie Roll is greater than the Twix. Switch these. So now we know that everything greater than Tootsie Roll, the position, is bigger than the Tootsie Roll. Everything to the left of the Tootsie Roll is smaller. So we leave all these as is. And this is one completed list by itself, and these two are sublists. Let's start with this. This will be our designated pivot for now. When compared to this element in the list, this is bigger than the M&Ms. Switch these positions, and when compared again, pivot is greater than the M&Ms, so they are fine. Now we will designate the Snickers bar as the pivot. Compared to the Twix, it is smaller, so it is fine where it is. Moving down the line, when compared to the peanut butter cup, the Snickers bar is greater, so these positions are switched. We know these two are correct places relative to each other, and the Snickers bar is then compared with the Hershey's bar, and it's not in the right place. Snickers bar is greater than, it has a greater size than the Hershey bar. Hershey Kiss, so these two are switched places. Nope, just kidding. The Snicker bar is greater, so this is just as is. Alright, so that means this is in a correct list itself. We will do this. This is a fine list. It's by itself. It's also sorted. These two are just simple. The peanut butter cup is a pivot and is compared with the Hershey Kiss. That is switched because that was not in the right order. It's inserted because after the comparison, we know the pivot is greater size than the Hershey Kiss. So that's a completed sort list. We insert that into the final list. And that is our final sorted list with Quicksort. Thank you for watching the video on how to do Quicksort. Thanks for watching.